Senator Win Gatchalian flags the decrease in the government's tobacco excise tax collection due to smuggling. Gatchalian said there were excise tax leakages due to the illicit trade of cigarette and misdeclaration of vape products. It is expected to balloon from 13.9 billion pesos in 2019 to 65.9 billion pesos in 2028. The Customs Bureau said they were able to seize over 9 billion pesos worth of smuggled vape and tobacco products last year.
And then just for 2024, last year, the raids increased almost five-fold.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this an indication that illicit trade is flourishing for both vapor products and also cigarette products?
Based on observation, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
So they're becoming more brazen, in other words.
Based on our observations, Your Honor, they even use online platforms before, Your Honor, during these years.
Kita mo yan. So, wala naman, hindi naman mahirap ang Pilipinas. Dami-daming pera. It's just a matter of paano mo kukolektahin yan from ito. Kasi dahil sa illegal activities, yan ang laking amount na nawala.
Illegal, illicit trade ang term nila
smuggling.
dyan.
Illegal trade. Talagang daming nawawalang pera sa, it's been a long problem.
Pero sinasabi din daw nila kasi may mga iba daw kasi mas
Customs and tax declarations.
Marami na daw nag-switch sa vape. Kaya daw may konti ring discrepancy.
Hindi, but pero it's okay lang naman mag-switch, pero if it goes through the process, when you, kunyari, import, ang problema dito kasi hindi nakasmuggle. So, syempre, when you smuggle it, wala
kang makakukuhang tax.
Wala kang makukuhang tax yan. Ang laki-laki nang nawala. Nakita mo ang computation nila.
Tapos yung
nakakahirapan tayo magkaroon ng budget for education and DPWH.
Then you have millions of
and zero subsidy mo sa PhilHealth, pero may laki-laki lang palang pera na nawawala dito.
Tapos yun nga, smuggling yung problema. Wala pa rin na napaparusahan ng mga big-time smugglers, di ba? Isa rin yan.
We're trying. I mean, administration after administration in the Philippines, government after government, we've been trying to curb smuggling, but medyo mahirap na issue tong at mahaba-haba ito.